Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Alt tab freezing in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this tab go to your system, go to your display, and after going to the display, go to your graphics. After opening the graphics, now auto HDR mode turn off. So firstly turn off and turn on it, and after doing this stat close it, and after doing this stat I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a registry editor and open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After after opening the registry editor, first of all select a as key current user and expand it, and after doing this stat select a software and expand it. After doing this test, find out a Microsoft and expand it. And after doing this test, go down and find out a Windows. Now here is a Windows and expand it. After doing this test, select a current version and expand it. And after doing this test, go down and find out a Explorer. So click on a Explorer. And after doing this test, create a new key 32-bit value and set a name is Alt Tabs Settings. Open it and set a value data 0 to 1 and click on OK button. After doing this set, close the registry editor. After closing the registry editor, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.